If you're unhappy with the results you're getting from the underwater white balance modes with your TG-7 or TG-6 camera, then one-touch white balance may be right for you. Here's how to do that. Go into the camera's live control menu and select one of the 4 one-touch white balance settings. Once you're in that mode, press the info button to open the white balance capture screen. Now take a photo of a white object. It could be a dive slate, your buddy's scuba tank, or maybe even the palm of your hand. Now press OK to say yes and use that as a custom white balance reference. Now you'll want to re-white balance anytime you have a major change of lighting. So if you're changing depth or the clouds move over the sun, you'll want to capture a new white balance for accurate color. For some reason, they don't provide access to one-touch white balance in the camera's video mode. So to shoot movies, I recommend staying in the program mode and using the record start stop button on the back of the camera. If you do move to the movie mode, it will inherit your custom white balance from the program mode. Now, there are some limitations to one-touch white balance. If you don't have enough light, it won't be able to capture an accurate reading. So if you're deeper than about 50 feet in a cavern or under an overhang, you may not have enough light to capture a custom white balance. In this situation, I would recommend adding an external strobe or video light. And when you're shooting with an artificial light, I recommend going back to auto white balance.